Namaste from Sarva. Welcome to today's yoga session. This is Basavaraj, yoga therapist from Sarva. Today we will be learning and practicing the yogic practices for enhancing the functioning of our pancreatic gland. So before going for the practice, we need to know what is the pancreas. Pancreas is a gland which secretes a hormone called insulin. Insulin is the hormone which helps to convert the extra amount of glucose into the energy. This all happens in the normal body. But what happens in a body in which the pancreas is not working properly? In that condition, what happens? The extra amount of sugar level will not be converting in the form of energy. So thereby what happens? The amount of sugar level will start stagnating in the blood. Thereby what happens? Elevated sugar level will happen in the blood. We are calling in a modern terms as diabetes. So diabetes is the one in which the amount of sugar level will be high than the normal. So to enhance this functioning of the pancreas or to improve the functioning of the pancreas, we are going to do the asanas, pranayamas, mudras, bandhas and relaxation techniques and some meditation techniques. Totally almost all the yogic practices we will be practicing in this session. For that one, sit in any comfortable posture. Both hands in chin mudra, chin parallel to the ground. For one time, you may roll your shoulders back to keep your chest expand. Chin parallel to the ground. Gently close your eyes. Just to become aware of your breathing patterns. Try not to get control over the movement of the breath. You are observing your breathing patterns. Continue the same. Now, consciously 3 deep breathings we are going to have. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Third one. Inhale. Exhale. Now you are in Sukhasana. Try to have five more deep breathings in closed eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly open your eyes with blinks. Now, before going for the specific practices for the enhancement of the pancreatic gland, we are going to have little bit of warm-up, stretching and some cardio. Now, keep your legs uncrossed, one in front of the other. Now, inhaling, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling, join the palms at the top. Exhaling by the sides. Inhale, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceilings, simultaneously gaze towards the ceiling. Exhale by the side. Third one, inhale. Exhale. Fourth one, inhale. Exhale. Try to synchronize the breath and the movement of the body. Inhale. Exhale. Now we are going to have little forward bending. Inhale, lateral lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Exhaling, bend forward halfway. Stay here, lengthen your spine, armpits try to open completely, expand the chest, look forward. Have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now try to place your palms or your forearms, whichever is possible for you. Expand the chest. Have 5 more deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, try to stretch your palms, fingers still forward as much as possible. Then inhale, head up. Exhale, take your forehead towards the ground. Stay there. Have 5 more deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhaling by the sides. We are going to do the same for 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward halfway. Expand the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, palms or forearms, whichever is possible for you. Expand the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, still straighten your arms. Take your forehead towards the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhale by the sides. The last round. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Try to bend from the lumbar. Try not to hunch your back at the thoracic. Yes. Expand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale, keep your palms or your forearms, whichever is comfortable you are in. Yes, 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, still straighten your arms. Then exhale, forehead towards the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhaling by the sides. Now, in the same posture, we are going to have some twisting. Keep your legs crossed. Now, hold your right knee joint with the left hand, right palm behind to make your back straight. Wrist should touch your lower back. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhaling, twisting the whole trunk towards right and staying there, having 5 deep breathings. Yes, inhale. Exhale, twist fully as much as possible. Have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2. For every exhalation, try to twist more and more. For every exhale, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, turn front. Then exhale there itself. Then inhale, expand the chest. Exhaling, twist towards other side. Twist fully for every exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, turn front and relax. Now we are going to have some lateral movement for the spine. Inhaling, laterally lift the left hand laterally up. Exhaling, bend towards right. You may keep your palm or the forearm, whichever is comfortable you are in. Push your left chest as back as possible. Left hand over the head, tip of the middle finger gaze at. 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, come up. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale towards left. Look up or tip of the middle finger gaze at please. 5 more breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, come up. Exhale, right hand down and relax. Now we are going to practice the specific practices for enhancement of the pancreatic gland. Yes. For that one, be in the same posture. Now inhale, stretch your legs forward. First we are going to have Swastikasana. Exhale, take your left foot, keep it by touching the right thigh inwards. Then inhale there itself. Exhaling, taking the right foot, keeping in between the calf muscle and the thigh. Exhale. Yes. Swastika. Expand the chest. Both hands in Chin Mudra. You are in Swastikasana. Have 5 deep breathings with closed eyes. 1, 2, 3. Try to have as deep as possible the number of breathings. 4, 5. Very good. Now inhaling, stretch your right leg forward. Exhale there itself. Then inhaling, other one stretch forward. Now we are going for the next asana, Vajrasana. For that one, you may face the shorter edge of the mat. See here, before that you need to sit by keeping the palms by the sides of the glutes, chest expand, look forward, 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now place your both the palms by the sides of the left thigh. Exhaling, taking both the legs backwards and sitting over the heels. Try not to overlap your toes, just keep them side by side. Palms over your thighs. Once you may roll your shoulders to keep your chest expand. Gaze at one point, eyes open, have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now, Supta Vajra. Inhale, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Keep your palms facing forward. Exhaling, you need to bend forward by sucking the belly completely inwards. Try to bend from the lumbar, not from the thoracic. Yes. Exhale, bend forward. Place your palms wherever you can. Then inhale, head up. Exhaling, lengthen your spine, forehead towards the ground. Try to stay here for 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale by the sides. Now we are going to practice Virasana. For that one, little move forward. We are going to lean back. Yes. Now separate your feet such that try to place the glutes on the mat. Yes. Palms over your thighs, expand the chest, look forward, have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, hold your respective ankle joints. With exhalation, slowly, one by one, try to place your forearms as well as elbows on the ground, behind the lumbar. Slowly, one by one. Now, expand the chest. Stay here, look up, 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, next level we are going. Try to lean back completely, or you may touch first crown of the head on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next level, trying to lie down completely on the ground, taking the hands over the head on the ground. Yes. Lie down completely. Stay here for 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold your respective ankle joints. Place the elbows on the ground. Inhale by pressing the elbows. Come up. Slowly come up in your own comfortable way. Now, feet together, sitting over the heels. Relax for a while. Now, we are going for Mandukasana. For that one, make a fist with your fingers. Try to place by the sides of the navel region, exactly 3 inches from the navel region. By pressing the belly with your fists, take your abdominals inwards, and exhaling, you need to bend forward, taking the forehead towards the ground. Yes. Inhale. Exhale as much as possible. Go forward, 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 and down. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way, come up and relax. One more round we need to practice. Press it completely this time. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward from the lumbar, keeping the chest expanded. Then slowly exhaling, forehead towards the ground. Stay here, 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. Now, one more asana we are going to practice, that is Simhasana or lion's pose. For that one, you may sit in Vajrasana, Padmasana, or whichever may be. As a therapeutic way, we are practicing in Vajrasana. You may place palms over your thighs or by the sides of the knee joint on the ground. Now, the next asana is the Simhasana. How to practice is, we need to inhale through the nostrils. Exhaling, we need to open the mouth, widen the mouth, protruding the tongue outwards and towards the ground. Simply, we are not protruding the tongue out. Along with that, we will be exhaling completely throughout the practice. And the eyesight will be between the eyebrows. See, please, once I will demonstrate and show you. Okay? Yes. Inhale. Yes. Try to practice as deep as possible. Now, one more round I am going to demonstrate. Please observe. Try not to keep the tongue towards up. We need to take the tongue towards the ground. Try to widen the mouth as much as possible. Eyesight should be between the eyebrows. Okay? Once again, we are going to start. Inhale. Yes. Now, like this, we are going to practice totally 10 rounds. Okay? Start practicing. Inhale. Three. Fourth one. Fifth one. Now sixth one. Seventh one. Now eighth one. Ninth one. The last one. Yes, relax please. Now we have practiced the asanas. Now we are going to practice the pranayama. For that one, sit in any meditative posture. It may be Vajrasana, Sukhasana or Padmasana. Now we are sitting just a Sukhasana posture. Before starting the pranayama practice, just sit in Sukhasana for 1 minute. Just to have your full awareness on the movement of the breathings. Yes. Now we are going to practice the pranayama. In that one, in today's session, we are going to learn the Ujjayi pranayama. Ujjayi pranayama is the one which is specifically for reducing the problems of kapha or to improve the digestive system or your pancreas also. One more thing, it helps in improving your awareness. So we are going to practice that one. This is the one and only asana which can be practiced in sitting, standing or moving. Okay, the specialties of this pranayam I have shared with you. Now we are going to practice Ujjayi pranayam. The procedure for the practicing of this Ujjayi pranayam is, while inhaling and exhaling, we need to constrict the throat region and getting the hissing sound or itching or irritation at the throat region. See, try to listen carefully the hissing sound. Yes, like this you need to get the sound of the hissing sound, that too at the throat region. If that is also not possible, just what you need to know is just the movement of the breath. It should touch and move, especially at the throat region. That should happen. You may not get for the first class or the first session. With the regular practice, you too can get the sound how I am getting. That is basic concept. One more thing, if you are not getting the sound, one more idea I can give you to make you understand more. Whenever you are getting some cough region, some cough or the phlegm or mucus in the throat region, usually everyone will do one action. That is here, like this everyone will do. With that, what happens? The phlegm from this throat region will move to the mouth region. The same action we are doing here, but for the long duration. Getting my point? Yes, please get it. See one more round. Yes. You may be feeling irritation or itching at the throat region. This is good. One more thing. After practicing of 10 rounds of this pranayama, there are so many chances of getting the phlegm in your mouth. If your digestion is upset, your respiratory tract is filled with the phlegm, then there are so many chances of getting the phlegm in the mouth. This is the proof of the pranayama. What you are doing, that it is right it is in a right condition. So try to practice the pranayamas for 10 rounds. Yes, try practice along with me. Try to practice as deeply as possible. Now we have done 6, 4 more are remaining. Yes. Now we have done 10 rounds of Ujjayi Pranayam. If you have got a phlegm or mucus in your mouth, please spit it and come and practice for the next. Because if you have a problem of kapha, definitely you might have got the phlegm in your mouth. No need to worry, we are practicing for our health. Okay? Now we are going to practice a relaxation. For that one, lie down on your mat. Keep your legs apart. Lie down slowly and completely. Try to collapse your body on the mat. Keep your hands by the sides of your body, palms facing the ceiling. Try not to have any tightness at any part of your body. Fully release and relax all the parts of the body. Just to have your awareness on the movement of the breath. Now, slowly keep your right palm over your abdominal area, left palm over your chest area, such that elbows will be on the mat. Now, shift your whole awareness over your abdominal movements. Try to just concentrate on your abdominal movements. You are just concentrating or observing your abdominal movements. Try not to get control over the movements of your abdominal area. Do not let your mind to go anywhere. Let it be over the movements of your abdominal area. Now, slowly keep your palms by the sides of the body, legs together, hands over the head on the ground. Interlock your fingers, turn the palms out. Try to get full stretch from toes to fingers. Now after that, unlock your fingers. turn to right and please be seated. Keep your eyes closed. Now rub your palms with full force. Try to get some warmness between the palms. Now gently apply your palms to your eyes, cheeks and the whole face. Now slowly, by looking at your palms, slowly open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you for joining the session.